Sarge, are you sure this is the objective?
Yep.
I mean, do we have to be up here to hold it?
These are our orders. Hold the objective.
Couldn't we hold it from down there?
This is the objective. We have to hold it.
How long do we have to hold it?
As long as it takes.
That really isn't an answer. Sorry. I was trying to count the turns, but it's hard with all the spinning. We've got to be way past turn 5.
Urge, I'm gonna be sick.
You're not going to be sick, soldier.
I think I am.
You're transhuman. You have 4 stomachs. You're not going to be sick.
You're thinking of a cow.
Steak.
No, like a cow. An ungulate. They have 4 stomachs.
Are you saying Johannes is a cow?
No, you said he had 4 stomachs.
It's the semicircular canals.
Is there a tactical situation, Aksel?
I just mean that the fluid in the semicircular canals in your inner ear starts spinning sympathetically with the motion of your body in its reference frame, and that causes the sensation of nausea that Johannes is feeling.
Feel better?
I wish I could take my helmet off.
You're not high enough rank.
This is the way.
It doesn't smell like the way in here.
Listen, men, we need to hold this objective. It is vital.
It seems more like a tin can.
Sometimes your command is to hold a tin can. Then you hold a tin can.
Who made that command anyway?
The commander.
The Emperor?
Nah, that guy with the big handfuls of dice.
Oh, him. How come it always feels like he has smaller handfuls of dice than those other guys?
Maybe he just has big hands.
I don't think he has big hands.
Oddvar, did you figure out what turn it is?
Everything's a blur. I might need to lay down.
Okay, I'm contacting HQ. HQ, this is Oskar, out here at the spinning tin can objective. Do you read me? Over.
This is HQ. I'm not aware of any spinning tin can objective. Over.
Well, my men are taking it pretty hard. Is this objective still vital, or can we pull out? Over.
Listen, Oskar. There's something wrong with your Zoom background. Everything looks like it's spinning behind you. Can you turn that off? It's going to make me sick. Over.
It's not a background. We're on a spinning tin can. Over.
Fine. Just do what you need to do. I can't look anymore. Over.
Great. Can you send in an extraction team? Over.
What extraction team? Over.
The guy with the big hands. Over.
Oh, him. Yeah, he left a while ago. The game's over. We'd be on, like, turn 100 or something. Over.
So we get to leave.
Only if you can bend your own plastic knees and walk on out of here, soldier.